Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about the benefits of using OdoBan in our laundry. 7 benefits of using OdoBan in your laundry. Number 1. Friendly to delicate items. Unlike some other strong disinfectants, OdoBan is fine to use with wool or silk garments. This is quite unusual because this is normally not the case. Therefore, it's not necessary to carefully go through an odorous laundry basket to remove items the cleaner cannot handle. Subsequently, delicate items do not need to be washed separately, disinfected a different way, or hand washed because of the cleaner's limitations. Number 2. Impressive disinfectant. It kills at least 99.99% of bacteria and in tests, often eliminates 100% of germs. Other cleaners stop at 99.9%, so this cleaner goes further. It also removes fungi. This is useful for older clothing that's been damp and sitting around too long in the basket. Number 3. Stops further mildew and mold growth. It is a mildew stat. This means it stops the mildew and mold growth. However, for items with mold spores or mildew on them, it does not remove it. They'll require other treatments such as ammonia or bleach to destroy these types of bacteria. Number 4. Removes harsh odors and adds an attractive one. By disinfecting and removing bacteria across the board, clothes, towels, and other items naturally smell better after washing. Usually, it's the bacteria on the items that create the nasty smell, not the item itself. A small range of distinct scents is available, depending on whether purchasing the OdoBan lavender or eucalyptus-scented versions. Number 5. Neutral pH. OdoBan has a neutral pH balance. This is important to ensure it does not alter the water's balance, making it either too alkaline or too acidic. Either case could damage the items in the wash. A neutral pH is non-corrosive to fabrics, including synthetic ones, but also wool, cotton, and more. Note, incidentally, this also makes it safe to use on tile, vinyl, enamel, plastic, and some metal surfaces as a heavily diluted cleaning solution. Number 6. Static cling remover. Clothes become clingy after washing and drying. This is mostly an issue in warmer seasons than colder ones. The disinfectant also includes ingredients to promote this effect. Number 7. Pet safe for cleaning their accessories. Pet accessories used by your beloved household pet become furrier and smellier as time goes on. The cat's or dog's bed needs cleaning, but finding safe yet effective pet-safe cleaning solutions isn't so easy. OdoBan is safely used to clean a pet's little blankie, fabric toys, and bedding too. Also, specifically for cats, it's handy as a disinfectant and deodorizer after removing soiled cat litter from their litter tray. So, how do we use OdoBan in our laundry? Well, it's quite simple. Here are 5 laundry methods for using OdoBan in your laundry. Pre-treatment by hand. For improved stain removal, give it a pre-treatment. Apply undiluted OdoBan directly to the stain, then leave it for a few minutes before washing it normally. Pre-treatment as a pre-wash. A second approach is to use the pre-wash section in your pull-out dispenser. For more powerful stain removal, add OdoBan to pre-wash clothes. Then add laundry detergent separately for the main washing cycle. Combine with detergent. Add OdoBan with detergent to better tackle stains and remove stubborn odors while getting your clothes cleaned. This is less than optimal, but fine when in a rush. As a bleach replacement, add OdoBan inside the bleach dispenser. This allows it to be utilized later in the washing cycle sequence, after the detergent has done most of its work. This is more effective in removing deeper stains and unwanted fabric odors. Fabric conditioner replacement. Instead of using your usual fabric softener or conditioner, add the cleaner once the rinse cycle has begun. It ensures a fresher smell is present once it completes the wash. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more laundry and cleaning tips.